I'm here with Chris from EasyT, AC EasyT, and we're going to talk about what AC EasyT is and how it works.
AC EasyT is a PVC fitting. Most of all our products use a 3/4 inch PVC pipe. You can tee this right on the air handler. Gives you the ability to clean it out from here. You can use this straight fitting with a shop vac. Versatile. Stick this in here and vacuum it out.
Okay, so this actually passes through, so that way you can actually clean out the drain pan itself.
Hit that with a shop vac and suck out your drain pan.
Yep.
And then on the flip side, when you go with the angle tool, you can stick this in here, and it blocks it off to the air handler and forces the debris that way.
Yep. All right, so this would be, nitrogen, air pressure, or whatever.
And you have the other option of a hose. The hose nozzle fits in there, and you can flush it with a hose depending on which region you're in. Didn't realize everybody does something a little bit different.
Yeah, they do. Yeah.
Do not bring a hose in my house, so you use nitrogen or a shop vac, and you can shop vac it from the outside and then hit it from the inside with the light nitrogen and get stuff moving. But it is on an older system that's got a lot of buildup. You should put some chemical in there and help break up that stuff. There's drain cleaners, and the new bright blue works good, and with the Diversitech product, that Mastercraft works very well.
And so what makes this tee different than like a typical 3/4 inch tee that you're going to find?
Glad you asked. A typical tee is right here, which traditionally forever has been mounted on the line like this, and you can't, it's not functional. You could stick something in there at an angle and try and blow it out, but you're not, generally you'll see this with a PVC cap on it, but you can't clean it out. And originally, the first EasyT was put here, the first down point, because when it's here, you can just pour your chemical in it. So this is ideal to have both.
Right.
And you can pour your chemical in there, flush it out, but this was getting neglected. Stuff can build up in here, so if you have 2 points of access, you can clean this out and flush the drain on both measures.
And it looks like this is kind of specifically designed to accept the cleaners. Is it actually tapered
in the
inside?
Yes, it is.
Oh, okay. So inside the PVC is actually tapered, which is unlike a typical tee. Okay.
And we did experiment. I wanted this to work. I wanted to come up with a tool that went into a standard tee.
Okay.
But the ID is different between Spears, Laska, and et cetera.
Got it. So different brands are different, and you can't make one that's universal.
It didn't give you a good seal, so we had to make our own tee to facilitate that.
Huh. So actually, it sounds to me like it's kind of a standard tee that you would keep on an installed truck or service truck. This would just be the standard tee that you'd keep then.
Yeah, I have an AC company, is why I come up with this, and we use them on every install. And then every time we touch a drain, we put one on. It's built into our cost to go out to do it. And then on a recall, you have a system that you just did a premium tune-up on. It can back up. There's all that buildup in there, so you do come out, you're there 5 minutes and you get a good flush, and your technician isn't trying to avoid cutting it back apart again, which it needs to be cut back apart again if it doesn't have this on it to do it right. Originally, when I wrote the instructions for this, I said, I put do not use on condensate pumps. But I realized, a lot of the market uses pumps, so I have a pump sitting here to show you how you can use it on a pump. This hose fitting with that hole there, you can stick it in there to pressurize it with a hose, and then you can put this fitting in here. It has a hole in the side, so when you stick your shop vac in here and turn it on, you're going to get the suction plus the pressure of this blowing it through. It gives you a really good flush.
And typically that would have, this is showing the waterless trap, but typically you would have
you'd have a P-trap
an
here,
actual trap,
But they wanted to showcase their waterless trap because it's clear and you can see, and it also has their treated rope that has silver and copper in it.
Yeah, that's copperhead. Yeah, we're going to show that in the next.
On this end, you can take this straight fitting and stick it in here, and it isolates this, and then when you take a shop vac, you can suck your pump out. All the standing water in it can get sucked out. You can hit the other side with a pump sprayer and flush it to the corner. Typically, if it's dirty, it should be pulled and cleaned.
Pulled and clean, yeah.
But, on a maintenance issue and you're commercial or something, you're there every 3 months, it's a quick way to do your service.
Got it.
Another bonus, we get cracked drain pans. So with this thing in this location or in the down location, you can plug your drain by sticking that in there. And then you can fill the pan with water.
Oh, to actually test it. Interesting.
Yeah, without cutting anything. You know,
Right.
generally we'll cut it, cap it and all.
Yeah.
And what we do is we take a gallon of water and we'll put some food coloring in it so it's red or blue or green.
Yep.
And pour the blue water in there, and if it drips blue, we know it's a cracked pan without having to physically pull the coil and guess at it.
Interesting.
It's just a time saver and a little insurance.
Got it. So can you buy the tees separately from the service
Yes,
toolkits?
you can. The tees are sold. This is a 20-pack here for contractors. It's the most economical way to buy them. They're sold individually in supply houses, and the kit is sold like this. It comes with both fittings and the nitrogen adapter in one kit.
Interesting.
And this is all you need on the service truck to do your work.
Yeah, another thing I wanted to show over here is that the caps actually have a seal in them. They actually have an O-ring in them.
It's a high quality Buna O-ring. I did that because O-rings crack and rubbers, you know, could fail on you. But that Buna O-ring is, we've had no problems with it.
Yeah,
you do have to make sure you put it on and put it on tight so you don't get an air leak over there, or you get
just finger tight though, right?
Finger tight.
Just
yeah.
finger
You don't
tight,
want to over tighten it because it'll roll that O-ring out of its
Right.
seat as you put too much pressure on it.
Awesome. Yeah. Well, great design. Thank you so much for taking the time to show it to us and invent it and bring it here to the show.
You're welcome. I appreciate you having us.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it and got something out of it, if you wouldn't mind hitting the thumbs up button to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notifications bell to be notified when new videos come out. HVAC School is far more than a YouTube channel. You can find out more by going to hvacrschool.com, which is our website and hub for all of our content, including tech tips, videos, podcasts, and so much more. You can also subscribe to the podcast on any podcast app of your choosing. You can also join our Facebook group if you want to weigh in on the conversation yourself. Thanks again for watching.